36. That you should worship none but Allah. I truly fear for you the torment of a painful day. 27. The disbelieving chiefs of his people said, we see you only as a human being like ourselves, and we see that no one follows you except the lowliest among us, who do so hastily without thinking. We do not see anything that makes all of you any better than us. In fact, we think you are liars. 28. He said, O my people, consider if I stand on a clear proof from my Lord, and he has blessed me with a mercy from himself, which you fail to see. Should we then force it you against your will? 29. O my people, I do not ask you for a payment for this message. My reward is only from Allah, and I will never dismiss the disbelievers, for they will surely meet their Lord. But I can see that you are a people acting ignorantly. 30. O my people, who would protect me from Allah if I were to dismiss them? Will you not then be mindful? 31. I do not say to you that I possess Allah's treasures or know the unseen, nor I do claim to be an angel, nor I do say that Allah will never grant goodness to those you look down upon. Allah knows best what is hidden within them. If I did, then I would truly be one of the wrongdoers. 32. They protested, O Noah, you have argued with us far too much, so bring upon us what you threaten us with, if what you say is true. 33. He responded, it is Allah who can bring it upon you, if he wills, then you will have no escape. 34. My advice will not benefit you, no matter how hard I try. If Allah wills for you to stray, He is your Lord, and to Him you all be returned. 35. Or do they say he was fabricated this Quran? Or do they say he has fabricated this Quran? Say, O Prophet, if I have done so, then I bear the burden of that sin, but I am free from your sinful accusations. 36. And it was revealed to Noah, none of your people will believe except those who already have. So do not be distressed by what they have been doing. 37. And build the ark under our watchful eyes and directions, and do not plead with me for those who have done wrong, for they will surely be drowned. 3:8. So he began to build the ark, and whenever some of the chiefs of his people passed by, they mocked him. He said, if you laugh at us, we will soon laugh at you similarly. 39. You will soon come to know who will be visited by a humiliating torment in this life and overwhelmed by an everlasting punishment in the next. 40. And when our command came that oven burst with water, we said to Noah, take into the ark the pair of every species along with your family, except those against whom the decree to drown has already been passed, and those who believe. But no one believed with him except for a few. 41. And he said, board it in the name of Allah. It will sail and cast anchor. Surely my Lord is all forgiving, most merciful. 42. And so the ark sailed with them through waves like mountains. Noah called out to his son who stood apart, O my dear son, come aboard with us and do not be with the disbelievers. 43. He replied, I will take refuge on a mountain which will protect me from water. Noah cried, today no one is protected from Allah's decree except those to whom He shows mercy, and the waves came between them, and his son was among the drowned. 44. And it was said, O earth, swallow up your water, and O sky, without your rain, withhold your rain. The flood water receded, and the decree was carried out. The ark rested on Mount Judy, and it was said, away with the wrongdoing people. 45. Noah called out to his Lord, saying, my Lord, certainly my son is also of my family. Your promise is surely true, and you are the most just of all judges. 46. Allah replied, O Noah, he is certainly not of your family. He was entirely of unrighteousness conduct. So do not ask me about what you have no knowledge of. I warned you, so you do not fall into ignorance. 47. Noah pleaded, my Lord, I seek refuge in you from the asking you about what I have no knowledge of, and unless you forgive me and have mercy on me, I will be one of the losers. 48. It was said, O Noah, disembark with our peace and blessings on you and some of the descendants of those with you. As for the others, we will allow them a brief enjoyment, then they will be touched with a painful punishment from us. 49. This is one of the stories of the unseen, which we revealed to you, O Prophet. Neither you nor your people knew it before this. So be patient. Surely the ultimate outcome belongs only to the righteous. 50. And the people of the Ad, and to the people of Ad we sent their brotherhood. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no God other than Him. You do nothing but fabricate lies against Allah.